Hi, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. My name is John Kevin Paunel at nandito tayo sa harap ng Bloomfield model ng Timog Residences na located lamang po yan dito sa Barangay Cuayan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Itong model nyo na ito ay meron po minimum lot area na 200 square meters at floor area na 113.5 square meters. Meron itong 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bathroom, and 1 vehicle carport plus another provision for carport. But before we proceed on the further details of this model unit, if di ka pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Alam ko pong excited na sila kayo, wag na po nating patagalin. Let's begin. If naghahanap ka ng single attached na meron pong at least 4 bedrooms, perfect po ang Bloomfield model. Dito lamang po yan sa Timog Residences. So pag-usapan po natin ang model unit na ito. So as you can see, napakaganda ng design. It is a Western inspired design. Napansin ko din po yung color niya. It is a pastel color green na color accent. So pag-usapan po natin yung mga available spaces that we have here. So meron lang talaga po itong 1 vehicle carport. Pero if sinagad nyo po yung ating back, pwede nyo pang magamit po yung another 2 vehicle carport po siya. Mapapansin po natin dito sa right side, it has a decent space for a pocket garden. So napakaganda po nung kanya pong area. We have terrace here. Pagkatapos yung ating carport with roof cover na po siya. Since this is a single detached, kaya po yung pinakabahay po is located at the center of your lot. So may spaces each side, front and back. At bago tayo pumasok sa loob, check na muna po natin yung mga paligid para makita at ma-appreciate po natin, ma-imagine po natin ano ba yung mga pwede natin gawin. So ito po yung ating carport, page siya, yung height floor to ceiling estimated, mga nasa 8 feet na rin po. Napansin ko po yung accent ng ating wall cladding. Ayan, meron po siyang wooden texture po dito, horizontal lining. Pagkatapos, we have a covered electrical outlet na rin dito sa area na to. And as we proceed here, this is our property line. And our setback is at least probably mga nasa 1.5 meter space. So, makaka-pass-through ka pa talaga. And in our backyard, meron po tayong estimated na nasa 2 meter space where you may extend this place as your dirty kitchen or service area. We have our access door here. It is a steel door, elevated. Paved na po itong area na to except 1 meter space pa dito sa ating pinaka property line. Pwede nyo ma-extend tong side na ito. And we have 1.5 meter space here. So total of 200 square meter space. And pag-proceed pa natin dito sa area na ito, we have our access sa ating lanai area. It is a 2-panel sliding glass door with canopy. So, balik ko tayo sa harap and let's talk the other details. Ito pala sa harap, we have our balcony at later po may papakita po natin kung saan po yung direct access ng ating balcony. Let's go. So, this is our terrace which serves as your porch actually. Pagkatapos, we have our front window dito and our main door. Elevated ang ating doorstep. Steel door po yung ating main door. Let's go inside and let's check the interior details. As we go inside, we will be greeted by the formal living area. Open concept ang space kaya walang masyadong partition. Ang napansin ko din po dito is yung height floor to ceiling. Standard lang po siya na nasa 8 feet. Yung flooring po natin, it is a porcelain floor tiles. 60 by 60 yung dimension po niya. So, decent naman yung space. We have our window dito and another sliding glass window on that area. So, proceed tayo dito. As you can see, we have our... Actually, this can be a 6-seater dining table. Kasi kung i-arrange nyo pa siya dito and another chair po dito. So, 6-seater dining table siya. Which is facing dito sa ating lanai area. And dito naman po sa area na to, we have our bar counter. Ito naman po yung ating main kitchen area. We have our granite countertop with stainless steel sink. We have our cabinetries, wall-mounted cabinet. We have our window here, 2-panel sliding glass window, which gives natural lighting, and another window on this side. So L-shape yung ating kitchen countertop. You have a space for a stove. And ito po yung access natin kanina. sa ating back door, which is steel door na rin po yan. Interior paint po natin is actually white finish. Pagkatapos po, check po natin yung other details. Since 4 bedrooms po ito, kaya meron tayong ground floor bedroom. Pero before tayo mag-proceed dyan, pakita ko lang po yung mga other specs niya. We have our storage below the staircase. And of course, our toilet and bathroom number 1 here. Ito po yung ating toilet and bath. We have the shower area. Meron siyang air vents. Floor to ceiling na po yung wall tile cladding natin. Tapos we have a wall-mounted lavatory. And we have a water closet here. Yung height floor to ceiling, medyo mababa lang din po siya. Estimated, mga nasa 7 feet. And let's proceed dito sa ating first bedroom. Laminated po yung door. Pagkatapos, hindi po siya steel door jamb. Ano po, parang PVC. Tapos may laminated po yung door jamb po natin. Pero pagpasok po natin dito sa ground floor bedroom, which is the bedroom number 1, ito po yung ating bed, single size bed. Pero actually, kasya pa kahit double size. Yung room na to, medyo maliwanag naman siya kasi we have 2 windows. Meron tayong decent space dito which serves as your study table. May space for cabinet. And yung partition po natin, this is a concrete partition. So nakita na po natin yung ground floor details. Before we proceed upstairs, check po natin yung ating staircase. So medyo malapad naman po siya. 1 meter space. Pagkatapos, yun nga lang, wala ko napansin na handrail dito. Pero we have our switch dito. Let's check. Ito po, ito yung two-way switch. Bali yung ating tiles pagdating sa staircase, it is a vinyl tiles compared dito sa ating porcelain tiles sa ground floor. Yun na rin po ang tiles na ginamit sa second floor. It is a vinyl tiles. Let's go upstairs and check the other rooms. Yung staircase natin, U-shape po siya. If napanood nyo po previously yung vlog natin about the Hausmanns Clark Way Savera model, same siya ng staircase, U-shape. Pero ang hinahanap ko dito, yung fixed window, which is akala ko dito siya, front facing po ng staircase. Pero dito pala siya side. I guess it is a 2 panels fixed window. Yung hallway niya, mga nasa 1.8 meters yung space. Kaya spacious pa siya. Pagkatapos, we have a study table dito. Yung height floor to ceiling, nasa 9 feet. Yun ang difference niya dun sa ground floor clearance natin. 8 feet dito, nasa 9 feet. So, may kataasan. At ito yung nabanggit ko kanina, yung tiles po natin. Vinyl tiles yung flooring. Pagkatapos yung mga door po natin, ito sa panel door. Pagkatapos, laminated po siya. Same din po yung door jamb na nabanggit kanina. Hindi siya steel door jamb, but it's okay. Spacious naman siya. Once we go inside, this is the bedroom number 2. Kitang-kita nyo naman po, there are 2 single-size beds. So, pag pinag-combine nyo po yan, kasya nga at least 1 king-size bed. Pagkatapos, we have our partition dito. Since, by the way, this is just a dressed-up model. That is why yung mga interior designs natin dito are not included sa delivery of the unit. Wala tayong wall niche kagaya po nito. But it is plain po yan. Diretso lang po siya. Tapos, gypsum board yung ating mga partition. So, fireproof and termite proof. We have available na 2 panel sliding glass window on this area and another here. Yung mga outlet natin, let's check kung saan siya makikita. Hindi siya visible dito eh. Normally po, sa mga rooms kasi, meron pang actually 4 electrical outlet. So, yeah, we have a space for a cabinet dito. Napakaluwag pa ng area natin dito. Kaya, yeah, maganda yung room natin sa bedroom number 2. Let's check naman po yung bedroom number 3. So, yung bedroom number 3 natin, ano siya, pang baby crib. Same din po ng height clearance, mga nasa 9 feet. Ang masasabi ko lang, if maggagawin niyo po to siyang formal bedroom, magkakasya po dito yung like a queen size pa. Actually, king size, kaya pa eh. Kasi medyo spacious po yan. Yung po kasi nito, yung dimension nitong ating bedroom number 3, estimated po mga nasa 2x2. By the way, ang 1 meter po, 39 inches. Ganyan po siya. So, let's say, subukan natin pong sukatin. So, 1. So, mga banda rito. So, mga nasa halos sa 2.2. May 2.1 meters sa pang ruler. So, ganun siya kaluwag. And then, we have, since detached po siya, kaya meron tayong dalawang windows on each side. Okay? So nakita na po natin yung bedroom number 3 and now let's proceed dun sa master's bedroom. Pero siyempre nadaanan na po natin ito pong second toilet and bathroom. But discuss muna po natin ito. So as we go inside the master's bed, ito yung napansin ko, we have outlet dito. Ito yung missing dun sa sa Vera model ng Clarkway. Pero meron siya dito. Merong wall-mounted lavatory dito, water closet. Floor to ceiling na po yung wall tile cladding po natin, and even in our shower, we have partition dito. We have a small sliding glass window which serves as an air vent and an outlet for the water heater. Yung height floor to ceiling, mga nasa 8 feet po siya. Wood flush door. Pagkatapos, I think, hindi ko sure kung ito ay steel door dyan, but it's okay. So check na lang po natin in the actual po. At tingnan natin yung master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Same din po ng door. Panel door po siya. At ito po yung ating bed. It is a queen size bed, but actually you can still use hanggang king size bed kasi meron ka pang space na 1 meter dito. And you have space on the other side. And ito po yung ating balcony. Let's later po check natin yan. Dito naman po sa below the bed frame natin, mga estimated na sa 1.5 meter space pa. Sa tinan, pwede pa malagay ng upuan dito. We have a space for cabinet and of course our ensuite toilet and bath. Flush door yung ginamit po dito. It's not a PVC flush door. Parang I think this is a solid wood door jamb. Hindi po siya yung steel door jamb, but it's okay. We have a wall-mounted lavatory, water closet, our switch, tapos shower area, and electrical outlet here. Okay, so yun lang. Meron din pong outlet for the water heater. Okay, check naman po natin yung balcony. Yung master's bedroom lang po yung may access sa ating balcony. Ito, dito tayo. So, dito naman po yung ating balcony. Masasabi ko lang yung dimension niya, mga nasa 3 by 1.1 meters. Yun siya. Medyo spacious naman. You can place tables and chairs dito. We have our canopy. Pagkatapos, meron tayo mga wall accent dito. At ito naman po yung ating view. So, I guess nakita na po natin yung details ng Bloomfield model. Let's go outside and let's talk about the other details ng Timog Residences. Tara! Pag-usapan po natin yung location ng Timog Residences. So, ang location niya, Barangay Cauayan, Angeles City. Kung familiar po kayo sa Friendship Highway, Korean Town, Lala Garden, Pampang, so yan po yung mga nearest or nearby areas dito lamang po sa Timog Residences. Napakalapit po natin at strategic yung kanyang location. Within the area, may mga tinatayong condo. We have now residences. Meron pang another condo malapit po doon sa City College of Angeles. Sobrang lapit po natin. Going to Holy Angel University, Angeles University Foundation, we have access at going to New Clark International Airport since malapit na po tayo sa Clark area. So pag-usapan naman po natin yung amenities dito sa Timog Residences. We have of course the pavilion, basketball court, swimming pool, we have the amphitheater. At kung mapansin niyo po, napakadaming halaman dito kaya presko itong area na ito. So may mga jogging path tayo, meron tayong outdoor and indoor gym. Actually, may mga client po kami na nakapag-visit na po dito. At ang masasabi nila yung vibe dito, parang nasa US, Western po siya kasi may mga client po kami from the US and they also visited here at yun yung nasabi po nila. That's why marami po ang nagkakaroon ng interest dito sa Timog Residences. By the way, if you want to ask the computation, it is indicated sa ating description box. Hindi ko po binabanggit masyado yung mga prices po natin sa video kasi kung sakali po mag-update, at least mapapalitan po natin sa description box. You can also contact us sa ating mobile numbers, WhatsApp, Viber, and other social media platform. Follow niyo po kami. If you have any question with regards to this project na hindi ko po nabanggit sa video na ito, you can comment sa ating comment section or directly message us. If naghahanap ka ng any real estate property listings, we have our website, johnkevinpaunel.com. Visit niyo lamang po yan para po makasubaybay po kayo sa mga listings na hawak po natin na aside po sa mga pre-selling, we have our RFO and direct sa seller. And also for rent. Kung gusto niyo po palang magpa-list sa amin, so message us. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay once again. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. God bless everyone.